Hey guys, I just wanted to make this video today to talk about just kind of some gratitude that I was feeling here because it just feels nice to help people. I get comments on my YouTube channel all the time, and I just think about the evolution of it and how it all happened. Because when I was first learning to create an online business and get set up with that, I didn't really understand. I hardly admit at first I was like, I'm getting into this business because I want to make money online, right? And like unashamedly, that's what I was interested in. That's what I was about. And then once I moved past that and saw that it was about, once I was like, okay, if people explain to me, you'll make more money online if you just focus on helping people. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to show people how awesome ClickFunnels is. I'm going to create a YouTube channel and I'm going to help people by doing that. Right. And so I set that up and, I started creating videos and posting them on my YouTube channel, showing them like sales funnels, how to get awesome results, how to set up a sales funnel for themselves. So, over time, I've made more and more videos and put them on there and gotten reactions and feedback and that type of thing. And I was just looking at one of the videos on there, and there's a comment from a person on there, a lady on there, who said, thanks, Sean, I launched my first sales funnel. Right? Like the fact that this person saw my content, saw that it was good enough to learn what they needed to do to go and take action and launch their own sales funnel. And then I think back what it took for me to go and actually get set up and launch my own sales funnel the first time. So it's kind of cool to feel it go, completely full circle and have somebody, get advice from me, get knowledge from me and go and take action in their life that's, that I know is going to generate positive results. Because having your own sales funnel, starting your own online business, it's just absolutely amazing stuff. So yeah, I'm just super thrilled that this person reached out to me and did it. So I definitely, want to encourage and just help you understand that it is very much about that. Once I moved past the whole, I want to make millions of dollars online. And once I just started talking to people and being like, hey, yeah, what's going on? And they would say, I don't know how to get set up here. I don't know how to create my offer. I don't know how to get started with, what a good affiliate offer is. And then you start providing them help and just talking to them, and then they say, oh, you know what you're talking about, and they want to take more action with you. So it's just so, so awesome and so natural when you do it that way. But that's what I basically wanted to convey in this video, is that, if you're just focused on the monetary end of things, it's not going to be as rewarding or as fulfilling. But once you find something that you're passionate about and you care about and you can help people with, good things will happen just naturally, and the money will follow. So, and then you'll feel very, very happy and very fulfilled when somebody sends you a message, something as simple as, hey, I launched my first sales funnel. So whatever your niche or market is, when you start getting that feedback, man, it just lifts you up and carries you through. So stay at it. And I'll see you in the next video.